What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a vintage or washed look to your guys' mockups. So we're going to start off by creating a new document and put our mockup in there. Created this mockup myself and I show how to do that in my previous video. We're going to start off by creating a new layer, renaming it to texture. After that, we're going to fill up the layer with the same color as the piece. Then we're going to go to filter, noise, add noise. Make sure it's around the 25% and uniform and monochromatic. After that, click OK and scale up the noise. Once you're done, click the check mark and then we're going to go to the outline layer. Select the background with the magic wand tool. Then go back to the texture layer and erase the background. Now lower the opacity so it's less visible. And after that, we're going to create a new layer and name it bleach. Then we're going to want to select the soft brown tool, make sure it's white, and just click random parts of the hoodie. Make sure it looks good though, and don't directly click on the sleeves or it's going to be way too white. You want it to not be opaque, make it a little clear. I'm going to put it on the collar, sleeves, the bottom of the hoodie, and then I'm going to see what the middle looks like. As you can see, it's way too white. I'm going to turn down the opacity so it's less visible and more subtle. So I think that looks good around 17, honestly. I think it looks pretty washed. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Remember, if this video helped you out, like and subscribe. And if you need help with something else, make sure to comment.